Salt has been used to flavor the foods around the world for as long as humans have existed. Salt has served the purpose of preserving meat and giving foods added flavor. Consuming salt is actually healthy and essential to our overall function, but unfortunately, not all salt is created equal. The table salt currently being used by many people has no natural ingredients and is a substance highly detrimental to our health. Traditional table salt is made up of 97.5% sodium chloride, and the remainder 2.5% is just the moisture absorbance and chemical additives. The sodium chloride goes through a process in its manufacturing where it is chemically bleached and then baked at 1200 degrees until the sodium chloride crystallizes into the form we know as salt. It is a substance that is completely devoid of nutrition and minerals after this process. Traditional table salt has been used in the homes of families for many years. Although table salt is mighty tasty, it has contributed greatly to health risks we see today. However, pink Himalayan salt is 100% preservative-free. It is natural salt harvested from the Himalayan mountains. This salt is satisfying on your food without the risks traditional table salt poses. Pink Himalayan salt is shown to have numerous health benefits for your body when consumed during meals. It's also great to use in the bathtub. Here are 15 benefits to consuming pink Himalayan salt that will hopefully prompt you to get rid of your table salt and use pink Himalayan salt instead. Number 1, relieve muscle soreness. Have you ever trained a bit too hard at the gym and started to feel the effects of overtraining? If so, rest assured, a warm salt bath with a pinch of Himalayan pink salt will relax your muscles, relieve soreness, and speed up the muscle repair process. It's also great for those who suffer from intense muscle cramps. Himalayan pink salt is very rich in magnesium, iodine, and 80 other essential minerals that heal muscles and soft tissues when absorbed through the skin. Number 2, improve your respiratory conditions. Himalayan pink salt can naturally alleviate some of the most common respiratory conditions, such as asthma. The pink crystals are known to emit negative ions, which is why this natural salt is indispensable in what is known as salt therapy. Salt therapy has been used for more than 200 years to improve one's overall health status. The unrefined salt used to alleviate respiratory conditions in a healthy, cheap, and natural manner without any adverse reactions. Salt-rich air kills bacteria, and it can alleviate chest congestion, coughs, and asthma. It's even been used in the treatment of cystic fibrosis. Number 3, improve digestion. If you suffer from slow digestion, or if your body has a hard time processing and absorbing the nutrients you consume, then you can rely on pink Himalayan rock salt yet again. Simply replace your classic salt with Himalayan pink salt, and you will quickly notice how gassing, bloating, or constipation will no longer be an issue. In addition to improving your digestion, the pink Himalayan salt can also speed it up, which is great for those who watch their waistline. Number 4, sleep better. The Himalayan pink salt is widely known for its relaxing effects that target your muscles in particular. However, a small Himalayan pink salt lamp can also purify the air and help you fall asleep faster at night and stay asleep until morning. Sleep deprivation increases the risk of high blood pressure, diabetes, stroke, heart disease, heart attack, as well as heart failure, and you certainly don't want any of those in your life. Number 5, soothe a sore throat. Mom was right when she told you to gargle salt water to soothe a sore throat. Although it's not a cure-all for immediate relief, salt water can help kill bacteria, loosen mucus, and ease pain. Just mix half teaspoon of finely ground pink Himalayan salt with a cup of warm water and gargle. Number 6, extremely rich in minerals. The microscopic analysis of the Himalayan crystal salt reveals that it contains no less than 84 mineral contents, essential for your overall health. This includes calcium and chloride, to magnesium, phosphorus, iron, to potassium, and copper. All these minerals are essential for bone health, helping prevent arthritis and other joint-related problems, preventing cold hands and feet triggered by poor blood flow, preventing mental and physical health issues. Number 7, irrigation of sinus. Sinusitis affects millions of individuals. Fortunately, doing regular sinus irrigation with Himalayan pink salt can help clear up sinus congestion and treat a sinus infection. Salt is known to have strong antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, and irrigation with the Himalayan pink salt will kill the contaminants present in your nasal cavities. Number 8, scrub your body with it. The exfoliating texture of pink Himalayan salt will leave you with silky, soft skin. As a bonus, regular exfoliation can actually boost your production of collagen, the protein that keeps skin smooth. Number 9, strong detoxification properties. The Himalayan pink salt is also known for its natural detoxification effects when used in the form of brine treatments. As mentioned earlier, when you add this salt to your regular bath, the minerals and other compounds present in it get quickly absorbed into the skin, which, in turn, stimulates the natural osmosis process. Number 10, pink Himalayan salt is great for purifying the indoor air. If you suffer from seasonal allergies, allergic to pollen and dust, suffer from a chronic respiratory condition, have airborne pathogens easily irritate your lungs, worsen your bronchitis or asthma, then the Himalayan pink salt may help. Himalayan pink salt lamp acts as a natural air purifier and attracts moisture from the air, along with all the allergens and pathogens. Number 11, blood sugar. Pink Himalayan salt has been shown to help regulate blood sugar. This is because Himalayan salt contains 84 minerals, and 4 of which are key factors in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels: chromium, vanadium, manganese, and magnesium. These minerals help with the digestion of sugars and starches and balance blood sugar. Number 12, treating acid reflux disease. Acid reflux is a common problem that occurs in those who have a problem with the pH levels in their stomach. Aside from being very bothersome, acid reflux can also be quite painful as it triggers the dreaded heartburn. Fortunately, the Himalayan pink salt can double as a natural and highly efficient antacid that keeps the stomach acid levels within the normal range. Number 13, lowers blood pressure. This may sound absurd at first, and you might ask yourself, how can the Himalayan pink salt lower the blood pressure when it is known that the sodium present in salt crystals have the exact opposite effect? The reason why the pink Himalayan salt can actually be good for you is that it is absorbed directly into your bloodstream in a faster and more efficient manner than conventional salt. In turn, this leads to a lower blood pressure and a healthier and improved blood flow. Number 14, soak your feet in it. Pink Himalayan salt can help your skin retain moisture, which makes it an ideal ingredient for a spa-like soak. Treat your feet by soaking them in warm water saturated with the salt. To make this, put 1/8 cup of pink Himalayan salt per gallon of water. This can help relieve painful, tired feet after a long day. Number 15, teeth. Himalayan salt contains potassium, which aids in gum health, as well as other minerals, including calcium, that aid in dental health. Many people find an improvement in dental health when they rinse with a Himalayan salt brine solution. So, what are the potential risks, side effects, and interactions of pink Himalayan salt? You should always store salt in an airtight, covered container in a cool, dry place to keep it at its best. Make sure your Himalayan pink sea salt comes from Pakistan, which is the only true source of real Himalayan salt. If it's not from Pakistan, it's fake Himalayan pink salt. I would stay away from any Himalayan salt that's sold at too low of a price. This may be a sign that the salt was collected from higher elevations rather from the deeper, more pure salt mines. The salts from these higher levels are more likely to contain impurities, which makes them less health promoting. Since pink Himalayan salt contains so many minerals, it's more beneficial to the body, but as a salt, it's still naturally high in sodium. So, as with any salt, you don't want to overdo it. Himalayan pink salt side effects tend to be as a result of getting too much sodium in the diet, especially with not enough potassium to balance things out. This can lead to high blood pressure for some people. It can also lead to a concerning buildup of fluid in people with congestive heart failure, cirrhosis of the liver, or kidney disease. So, to finish, how can you use Himalayan pink salt for cooking? The distinctive bright pink comes from the minerals in the salt that are the remains of ancient sea life. The color is a striking addition to food and a dramatic reminder that you are consuming something out of the ordinary. To get the most significant aesthetic benefit from pink salt, use it coarsely ground and as a finishing salt that you add at the last minute. Not only is serving your food on a pink salt block or plate the ultimate way to liven up the appearance of a dish, but it is also great for lending a light saltiness that will not overwhelm the other flavors. Pink salt can retain heat for hours, and you can use it in place of a skillet for cooking a steak on a stovetop. Salt has antimicrobial properties, which means that it will be easy to clean your salt block after cooking it. Himalayan pink salt imparts a mild salt flavor when compared to table salt and sea salts, which means that it is best for dishes that don't need an intense burst of salinity. It is an excellent option for when you want other delicate flavors to shine. I hope you have enjoyed this video on the health benefits of pink Himalayan salt.